The Department of Science and Technology organized a group monitoring workshop of science for equity empowerment and development under Technological Advancement for Rural Areas or TARA scheme. The event was organized at Forest Research Institute in Dehradun on the 5th and the 6th of February. 26 organizations presented their work at the event. An exhibition showcasing technologies, products and models developed by these groups having replication potential for rural application was also held at the event. Science Monitor brings you a report.
The Department of Science and Technology, in association with the Himalayan Environmental Studies and Conservation Organization or HESCO, organized a two-day group monitoring workshop to exhibit self-sufficient and simple solutions for the practical problems faced by the farmers on 5th and 6th February at the Forest Research Institute, Dehradun. HESCO is an organization working in the interest of rural development and environment in the Himalayan villages. 26 core groups across the country participated in this group monitoring workshop to showcase rural technologies aimed at promoting sustainable development with the priority on environmental protection and economic independence. These were mainly demonstrated by clean energy solutions, agriculture and value addition, technology for mountain community, technology for arid region, rural engineering and innovative products, and technology in forestry and fruit processing sector. The workshop was inaugurated by Secretary, Department of Science and Technology, Professor Ashutosh Sharma. He also inspected the watermill technique and emphasized on the need of such important programs for rural population.
This is a very interesting program because it not only looks at what technology needs to be developed, what is the appropriate technology for our needs, it also provides solutions for those problems, and it does so by working with independent organizations, NGOs, which have dedicated people, resources and interest in using science to solve society's problems.
The workshop provided detailed information on the techniques developed under the Technological Advancement for Rural Areas or TARA project, and highlighted the contribution of these technologies towards making rural India self-reliant. 3 useful illustrated booklets were also released at the occasion. In the workshop, experts from different institutions discussed their work in detail.
हमारा जुड़ाव दो तरह से है, जहाँ सरकारों के बीच में हम अपनी तकनीकी के माध्यम से, चाहे लंटाना हो, चाहे रेशे की बात हो, चाहे ऊर्जा की बात हो, इन तमामों को लेकर सरकार के बीच में रहते हैं। बड़े संस्थानों को देश के अपने साथ जोड़ते हैं, उन्हें ग्रामोन्मुखी बनाने के लिए उन्हें हम इस बात के लिए तैयार करते हैं कि उन तकनीकी पर काम करें जो कि आज हमारे गाँव की बड़ी आवश्यकता है।
Manufacturing of innovative agricultural products using new technologies is a clear indicator that science is coming out of laboratories and is making its way to the villages. Work done under these scientific initiatives is proving to be exemplary in decreasing the economic gap between urban and the rural societies.
Well, that is all for this episode of Science Monitor. You can send your feedback and suggestions to Science Monitor on our email ID news@vigyanprasar.gov.in. You can also write into us at Vigyan Prasar C24, Qutub Institutional Area, New Delhi 110016. We'll see you again next week with another episode of Science News and Innovations. Till then, goodbye and take care.